If you want to grow your business, then 10 tips have been told in this video. If you follow them, then you can grow your business. Watch the video without skipping. Do not miss any tip. Let's start the video. 1. Conduct market research. Understand your target audience and the competition in the market. By identifying customer needs, preferences, and trends, you can offer products or services that resonate with your audience. 2. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, having a solid online presence is essential. Create a professional website and stay active on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to engage with your audience. Point number 3. Focus on quality customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for business growth. Happy customers are more likely to recommend your brand to others, leading to repeat business and referrals. Point number 4. Maintain product quality. Never compromise on the quality of your products or services. High-quality offerings will build customer trust, foster loyalty, and increase the chances of repeat purchases. Point number 5. Leverage digital marketing and SEO. Make use of digital marketing tools such as SEO, search engine optimization, content marketing, and paid ads, Google Ads, Facebook ads. SEO helps rank your website on search engines, attracting organic traffic. Point number 6. Use social proof and testimonials. Request feedback and testimonials from satisfied customers and display them on your website and social media. Social proof encourages new customers to trust your brand. Point number 7. Networking and collaborations. Networking with other professionals in your industry can open up new business opportunities. Attend industry events and consider forming collaborations with other businesses for mutual benefit. Point number 8. Offer unique promotions. Introduce special offers, discounts, or seasonal promotions to attract new customers. Unique offers create buzz and make your business stand out in a competitive market. Point number 9. Diversify your offerings. Expand your product or service range to appeal to new customer segments. By diversifying, you can reach more people and increase your customer base. Point number 10. Efficient financial management. Managing your finances effectively is vital for business growth. Monitor expenses, reduce unnecessary costs, and reinvest profits into expanding your